Hey guys, it's Emma from the Everlasting Flowers. Today we are going to be starting some new seeds and transplanting some seedlings I already had. So let's take a closer look at what I've got. So what I'm working with today is a 72 cell starting tray that I got from Home Depot. Pretty basic. And the seedlings. So first things first, you want to make sure you have some soil. You just want to start filling it up. So first we'll be starting off with some Sweet William. And this one you just want to plant, says half an inch deep. Oh, just kidding, 1/8 inch deep, half-inch spacing. I will probably, since these seedlings are pretty small as you guys can tell, probably do 2 seeds per cell. And if anything, you can just transplant them if they both germinate. Okay, so I just did those 2 trays because this is gonna be my first year trying to start a flower farm. So I don't want too much, and there's a few different plants I want to try out to grow. So we'll see how it works. So now that I have those 2, you want to have little, I don't know, just markers to make sure you know what you're planting. So that was Sweet William. And I'm just gonna put that in right there so that I know those 2 rooms are the Sweet Williams. Next, I'm gonna be doing Morning Glory. And again, I'll probably just do 2 of them. Okay, these seeds are a lot bigger, so it'll definitely be a lot easier to see how deep do you want to plant these. 1/4. These ones will be a little bit more deeper. So you can see, I'm just gonna kind of push it in, cover it up. Okay, so technically if you're starting seeds, you kind of just want to do for each tray just 1 type of seedling, just because different plants germinate at different times. But you know, we're gonna just do it this way. Now we have some cosmos. Cosmos you can honestly probably just direct sow, but I kind of want to start them earlier, so I'm just going to start them in trays so I can have some earlier cosmos. So these are also, they just want to be 1/4 in deep. And again, I'll do the same thing as I did with the other plants. Should probably just put them in first so I don't forget which one I already put the seed in. So I think I just messed up because I put this Morning Glory right here when it was supposed to go right here. And so I think I have Cosmos and Morning Glory in there now. Oh well, whatever. They'll both end up growing. I'll just separate them. Can be no problem. And next, we'll do these Cosmos. So I not put the Cosmos next to each other. So another thing that you want to watch out for is just so another thing you want to do before starting seeds is you want your soil to be a little pre-moistened. Usually just starting seedlings, you know, they like it to be a little wet. My soil was outside, so it's already kind of wet, so I don't really need to. I'll spray some water on top after I'm done, but my soil's already, it's again pretty wet. Okay, let's do Cosmos right there. And next we're gonna be doing this Alyssum, I believe it's called. So these seeds are also super small, so I'm probably gonna do like 2 per cell. Oh gosh, that was like 5. Alyssum right here. And next I have 2 different types of colors of bachelor's buttons, so we'll do a little bit of both. First, we will do a row of blue ones. And now I have a mix of pinks and purples, a little bit of whites. And next are going to be some more Snapdragons. I already have some started, but this is a different variety, so I want to try this one. So Snapdragons, super tiny seeds. That's why I like to start them like this, so after they grow you just divide them into different cells, but we'll just try to do a little bit, I guess. They're right there. Okie dokie. Then I'm just gonna spray some water on these so we can get established them really good. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the humidity dome on. Awesome. And after, I'm just gonna go put these under grow lights and wait for them to germinate. After they germinate, I'll be taking this off. Now you usually want to start these a few weeks before your frost. Pretty sure I started these a little bit too late, but they will still grow. For transplanting these Snapdragons, I'm just going to take a big one of these. You could just take a 72 cell tray that I just had or whatever, put them into those. That's what I originally wanted to do, but I only have one of those for right now. So right now we're just gonna do it in here. Okay, so then you just kind of want to take a toothpick or something small, a pencil will do. Just kind of want to loosen up the soil, just like that. Take one of these starting things, just put it in this new soil, just like that. So I'm going to put a few of them in here since this is a pretty big container. After product, this isn't the most convenient way to do it, but now I know that those ones germinated and these ones will be fine. I'm not too worried if they get a little too crammed in here, because I'm going to be planting them outside once they get a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish everything up, do the same thing as I did for these. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to follow along with my journey of me trying to start a flower garden, please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!